Yesterday, the gold could not manage to make a bearish breakout below 418.33. We can see the support level has held the price above, and the price has formed a bearish candle. A bearish candle which looks something like a bullish pin bar. Right here, the support level, slightly it is above the area of support level, so it is not very clear, at least for me, that it is a bullish pin bar. But what we can see, the price could not manage to go further down below this area of support, which is a very important one. We can see the wick has also stopped at here at this small support level, just below the large support level of the daily time frame. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see how the price has behaved yesterday. Since the morning when I have made the analysis, the price was around this level here, slightly below 4235.13, and I have mentioned in the yesterday analysis that I'm expecting that the price could drop to this price level for sure. That was 4207. The price has done that, and after that the price has managed to reach also the daily support level, which has also have been mentioned in the yesterday analysis. The price could not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, which means this support is holding the price very strongly, and there is a demand zone, a buying pressure from here that will push the price up. After that, we can see the price has retraced back up, going very close to this area of resistance, 4235.13. Then the price reversed back down again, trying to make a bearish breakout with this wick. We can see that here, but unsuccessfully. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see the price has managed to go all the way down to the 1-hour time frame support level, 4166.51, but it has bounced from this area of support and returned back up, forming this bullish breakout on the daily resistance level, and after that the price continued to rise in value. We can see that on the 1-hour time frame today, the price has managed to make a bullish breakout, forming this bullish pin bar right here at the resistance level, acting as a support at that time. And the price has continued to rise in value, and we can see where the price is currently at small resistance level, probably on the 30-minute time frame. This is a resistance level that is currently preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. What I can expect today? Well, based on this one, what I can see on the 4-hour time frame, the price has formed a bullish breakout above this area of a small resistance. This is the confluence between the buyers and the sellers, where you can see these two candles open and close price levels, and we can see here and here and here, it is the confluence between the buyers and the sellers. This bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, there is no horizontal level, but I can see that based on the candles, what I'm watching currently on the chart, I can see the price has formed this bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, and it is very important that this next candle do not close below this area, below 4220. If the price continues to rise in value, and that is something that I'm currently expecting, that the price will rise in value, the next resistance that whether the price needs to make a bullish breakout is 4235.13. After that, the price will try to reach the daily resistance level, which is 4289.23. We can see that 4247 is the confluence between the buyers and the sellers on the daily time frame. That means 4247 is around this one here, but we can see it is very close to 4235.13. so this is the price level that the price needs to make a bullish breakout, like in this example here. When the price makes a bullish breakout, the price will try to reach higher price levels and probably target the daily resistance 4289.23. So this is something that I'm expecting currently. We can see that the price is currently in the bullish mode. The price is rising in value. We can see this is the uptrend that the price will try to keep up and make this trend available, and we can see that there is currently higher lows the price is forming. So the next what we can expect, sorry for this, that the price will try to reach high price level. This is something that I currently expect, but if that cancels, we need to see the price making a bearish breakout below 4188.33 on the 4-hour time frame. This will also be a trigger that the price has entered in the bearish mode, and it will cancel this uptrend, which means the price will tend to reach this area of support 4145.86. So let's go step by step, wait for the price to make a bullish breakout above this one or bearish below this one, and then we can follow the market, not chase the market. So for now, I'm still open to see the price reaching higher price levels based on what I can see also on the silver, and that the price tends to reach higher price levels against US dollar. So I'm still open to see the price reaching higher price levels. Do not forget to join the chat room. You can see that I have many of these traders currently inside the chat room where I'm sharing these details. So feel free to check. Also join, it's free completely. The link will be below also in the comments. So feel free to check and join other traders to see the daily updates. You can see that I also share some of the details and also some kind of knowledge from my experience. So feel free to check and join here and ask any questions. Also share your insight about any symbols on the market that you currently have, so we can discuss the analysis together. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.